So right now I'm just gonna find the frequencies of each note, and we're using C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and C, and like the high C. And so right now I'm just gonna find the frequency, because this app on my iPod, it shows the frequency of each note. So as I'm talking, it's showing the like the frequency of my voice. So I'm just gonna test it on the piano. So C would be 261.4. So D 294.0. And C 524.6. Okay.
Xylophone.
Yep.
Putting the letter, what letter is this?
C, the last one.
The last one, I see.
It's gonna fall down nice because I'm gonna get my arm out of the way. There it goes.
Sounds like a C to me.
Yep.
All right.
Are we here?
Yep, go ahead.
Okay, ready?
Go.
First one, good.